Someone is speaking now. Okay, now recording has started. So I was
फातिमा
telling you, huh?
में प्रॉब्लम फातिमा जहरा के माइक में प्रॉब्लम
So whoever's mic is not working properly, please mute it. Don't speak only for today. My question was, do you remember when we use division? हम डिवीजन का यूज कब करते हैं?
अगर जब माइनस करना हो तो
हाँ. Okay, so I'm showing one video. In this video also they are explaining when do we use division. So in this video you can see one rabbit is there, and as this rabbit is hungry, it's trying to catch that carrot. Anyhow, that rich now owner came. You can see, and he is actually magician. That one boy. And now you can see that magician saying no, don't eat carrot. But rabbit is crying. So now the same question is given. So Bajaj Fatima, you can read the question.
okay. Do you know why we divide?
Yes.
The question is, do you know why we divide?
What I have circled now that you can read.
That is I am reading. Do you know why we divide?
We divide.
Yes. Do you know
The
why?
question is that do you know why we divide anything? मतलब कोई भी चीज को क्यों divide करते हैं? Like here you can see carrot is there. But suppose instead of that, like chocolate is there, or some you're eating pizza or something like that. Or suppose if there is one pizza, there are four pieces of pizza, and you and your sister both are eating. So how many pieces you both will take?
Two, two.
Two,
Two
two.
pieces.
When we share no
Yes.
equally, at that time we use division. कोई भी चीज हम शेयर करते हैं ना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं इक्वली, that time. So now you will see in this also now they are using division. Now that rabbit doesn't know, right? So he's saying no. Now this is the answer. Now Baloch Miza, you can read this.
We divide several things. Ma'am, but mic is not working.
Miza, I guess your mic is not working properly.
Yes,
So
ma'am. In her mic, the voice is coming.
read, you can read next time, Baloch Miza. Next is Qureshi Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you read this?
We divide to
Distribute
dispute thing
equally.
equally. Yes.
Very good. Now you can mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can see here what is written. We divide to distribute. Distribute मतलब share करना, उसको बांटना. Things equally. Equally का meaning होता है कि कोई एक ज्यादा एक कम ऐसे नहीं, दोनों सेम ही ले रहे हैं. तो at that time we divide. तो दोनों ने आधा आधा लिए. Then I guess you know sign of division.
Yes, ma'am.
This is sign of division, and there are more signs also like for addition, for multiplication.
Ah,
Okay, now Rajani Nida
we
will tell me
never do
which
anything.
sign is this, which I have circled.
Yes.
Nida, do you know?
Ma'am,
Which sign is this?
Multiply.
Yes, very good. Now, Pathanzera, will you tell me which sign is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Which sign is that which I have circled?
Equal. Equal to.
Very good. You can also mute your mic. Now, Vakil Nahia is present. Vakil Nahia. Nahia. Now, next name Zareen. Means
Yes.
that new student.
Ma'am, I will read.
Zareen, you can tell me that that sign, no, that symbol which are circle, that is which?
Minus.
Yes, means for subtraction.
Yes.
Very good. Now next is Bhujan Inchia. Bhujan Inchia, are you present? Okay, next name Bhimani Sakina.
Ma'am, I will read Siddharth Arman.
Means who?
Siddharth Arman से read करें.
Siddharth or Mantasha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mantasha, you tell me which sign is that which I have
Any
circled. Which one? Yes. So you already know we use some signs, right, to show different kind of properties.
Yes.
Now you can see that rabbit is also eating, that boy is also eating. But now suddenly remember, okay, now he has that show. So now he's going on the stage and he's performing. Now next name is Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan. Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan.
She is left.
Will you tell me that what is written here means how many carrots, how many rabbit, and
Ma'am,
what is
she
the
is left.
question?
Kishwani Fatima.
Ma'am,
And
can I?
Fatima has left.
Zarina Rabi.
अरे wait, Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan. Her name I
Ma'am,
took.
she is left. मैम वो लेफ्ट हो गई है.
अच्छा left हो गई है.
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ. साइमा.
Ma'am, can I? Zarina Rabiani.
मैम गाना पता.
Okay, next name is that other Fatima, Keshwani Fatima Zehra. Keshwani Fatima Zehra Mohammad Taqi, are you present?
She is present, but she is not giving answer.
Yes.
Okay. Then Hasmani Saima,
Yes, ma'am.
you can read this. What is the question means how many carrots, how many rabbits, and in the middle you can see question is given.
8 carrots. Divide these carrots equally. There are 4 rabbits.
Yes. So here you can see that there are 4 rabbits and 8 carrots. So now the
So
question is that divide this carrot equally. Means whenever the word equally wherever you will see no equally मतलब एक जैसा ही सबको देना ऐसे नहीं किसी को ज़्यादा किसी को कम equally. So what we will use means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You all
division.
can say together हाँ एक साथ सब जवाब
Two
दे
fours
सकते हो.
are 8. Division. Two fours are eight.
2 fours are 8.
Each rabbit
Okay.
get two carrots. Yes. To multiply by four equals eight.
Yes, ma'am. 2 carrots. 2 carrots. Everybody give.
And that Arabiani, what was the name? Something
Zarin.
Zareen. Huh. You can read this question.
How many carrots will each rabbit get?
हाँ. So whenever this kind of questions are given, कि how many each will get, मतलब एक को कितना मिलेगा, so we use division. So let's do. So total how many carrots? That is we will write inside.
8.
Then how many rabbits that outside?
4.
And then we will use the table of 4, and then we will see that how many size 8. So you can
Ma'am,
see
can I?
together, together.
Two
Four
fours are
2 is 8, ma'am. 4 2 is 8.
It means each rabbit will get two two,
Zero.
right? सबको two मिलेंगे सब rabbits को.
yes.
We can use division also, and there is one more method which is called repeated subtraction. मतलब सब एक एक ले लेंगे फिर वापस दूसरा दूसरा लेंगे. That way at the end they will get two. Even they don't know कि how many they will get. तो वो लोग सोच रहे थे कि हमको कितना कितना मिलेंगे. So you can see how that boy is laughing. Okay, they don't know how many they will get. Then you can see here, the four carrots are left. You all can read together.
No more
No
carrots
more
are
carrots are
left.
left.
No more carrots are left.
So in this chapter no मतलब division में डाउन साइड you will see one remainder. मतलब कोई भी नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं जैसे अभी हमने 8 को 4 से डिवाइड किया just now. 8 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, then 8 minus 8 0. तो यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. बट सपोज 8 के बदले 9 हो तो 9 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है. तो हाउ यू विल डिवाइड?
Reminder बचेगा
4
one.
2 is 8.
Yes, you will do the same, right? Okay, in the table of 4, 9 is not there, so you will take 8. But you can see there is one which is left, right? Here, you can see one is left. So that is remainder, okay? जो भी नीचे जो left over होता है, that is called remainder. तो चार जो words है वो भी मैं सिखा रही हूँ. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. And this one puzzle I am showing afterward. So whose fair book is complete now till 3B? They can write with me, otherwise I am just explaining. अगर fair book पूरी हो तो.
मैम स्पेस
हाँ,
छोड़
no
कर
problem.
निकले तो चलेगा.
And this 3C PDF I will send maybe today or tomorrow.
मैम किसमें लिखने का है?
In the fair book, like if your fair book is complete, if you want to leave pages, or if you want to write in a rough book.
मैम मेरा हो गया फेयर.
Means this one also because this I have not sent. This I have sent
मैम
writing.
this.
नहीं, wait. First I
Yes
have to
मैम.
give you time to write.
आपने सेंड कर दिया है.
हाँ हाँ. In that PDF, this notes was there. Yes, I remember.
And we have to write.
Yes, if you have not written then. Then,
Ma'am, can I read this?
first I'm giving the time to read, then I'm saying the names whose turn has not come, their names.
Okay.
So how much time you want to, means those who are writing, and how many are writing, how many wants to write, किसको किसको लिखना है, or you have already written
I,
from
Saima.
PDF. Okay. Other girls,
Done.
three option, whether you are writing, whether you will write from PDF, or maybe you have already written, ऑलरेडी लिख लिया है, बाद में लिखने वाले हो कि अभी लिख रहे हो, एनी ऑप्शन।
मैम लिखते हैं।
और बाकी स्टूडेंट्स कौन सा ऑप्शन, अभी लिख रहे हो, बाद में लिखने वाले हो कि ऑलरेडी लिख लिया है? जल्दी बोलो। अदर स्टूडेंट्स, or shall I take one's name? Okay, what are you doing? बाजस फातिमा, बलोच मीजा,
यस
इरफानी
मैम।
फातिमा, ऑलरेडी लिख लिया है, बाद में लिखने वाले हो कि अभी लिख रहे हो?
मैम,
अभी
मैंने
लिख
ऑलरेडी
लिया।
लिख लिया है। मैंने तो
मैम
ऑलरेडी
मैंने
लिख
भी
लिया है।
ऑलरेडी मैंने भी ऑलरेडी लिख लिया
और
है।
मैंने आपको फोन भी कर दिया है।
ओके। Okay, so I guess only Saima and one or two girls are writing.
Me, Saima, done.
Okay. And other girls, what about you?
मैम
Yes.
ये लिखने का है।
Yes. I said no कि मैंने PDF तो भेजी थी, but अगर सपोज तुमने ना लिखा हो,
मैम रफ बुक में।
पेयर बुक,
ओके मैम।
and next PDF also I will send today or tomorrow, so that you can write with me, which is of division only. Means 3C is all about
मैम
division.
ये मैम पीडीएफ आप फिर से भेजोगे?
इसकी तो ऑलरेडी सेंड कर दी है, 3B and these notes, बट इसके बाद वाली जो PDF है ना, वो मैं शायद आज सेंड करूँगी, इसके बाद वाली, दिस आई हैव
नहीं रही
ऑलरेडी
है।
सेंड। व्हाट?
मुझे
Okay, now we are not waiting for anybody. So Bohra Inchia, your turn has not come in reading. Will you read?
yes. Okay. Division. The division is a method of dis,
Distributing.
distributing a group of things into equal parts.
Yes. Means when we use division, so when we distribute or share anything equally, equal parts में जब हम share करते हैं, distribute करते हैं, तब हम division को use करते हैं. Now who wants to read and turn has not come? And if your mic is also working properly.
Mom, can I shake Anish?
Yes, Anisha.
Dividend. The number which we divide is called the dividend. Divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor.
Hmm. So like normally the question is given like, suppose if question is given like that only, in that video you've seen, no, like we have divided 8 by 4. So the number which we are writing inside, no, मीन्स विच वी डिवाइड, जिसको हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज
Hmm.
कैरेट को ही हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था वो वीडियो में. इफ यू रिमेम्बर इन दैट वीडियो वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट कैरेट्स ओनली, राइट, among four rabbits. तो जो फोर जो बाहर की साइड लिखा दैट इज डिवीजन. यहाँ पे भी एक एग्जांपल से मैंने लिखा है किसको क्या बोलते हैं,
Hmm.
बाहर वाले नंबर को अंदर वाले नंबर को. दिस जस्ट फॉर नॉलेज, ओके.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
आप अपने वो मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए 2 डिजिट नंबर वो सब एक्सरसाइज करा दी.
Yes, I had given okay, you can try that and then you can match your answer. So I don't know that how many girls have matched the answer. How many girls have tried and matched the answer that one?
My answer is right. मालकानी बुशरा है ना, मालकानी कादर में जॉइंट हो रही है.
हाँ, okay.
Okay, okay.
You can use any ID. We don't have any problem. And if you have a doubt from that, no, then you can ask me in last 5 minutes.
Ma'am,
Like if it is regarding multiplication or division,
ma'am,
any one tables. Yes.
मुझे डिवाइजर वाला मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
I'm explaining. These notes, no, this one.
Yes. डिवाइसर वाला यहाँ पर जो
Okay.
डेफिनेशन लिखी है ना डिवाइस की वो वाला.
So in this first one you can see upside. This one is that when we use division. Okay, this one. This one के जो नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं, मतलब अंदर वाला जो नंबर है उसी को हम डिवाइड करते हैं. लाइक वो वीडियो में हमने जो कैरेट से 8 उसको डिवाइड किया था, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था या तो शेयर किया था, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज दिस वन. फिर ये जो दूसरा है विच इज योर क्वेश्चन, दिस वन, with the number by which we divide, that जिस जो नंबर से हम वो दूसरे वाले नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. लाइक फोर रैबिट्स फोर थे तो फोर से हमने डिवाइड किया था, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिवीजन. ऊपर वाला इतना है, 3.
ओके.
ओके.
ओके मैम.
And even if you have doubt no in multiplication or division, first condition is tables. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी सबसे पहली कंडीशन है टेबल्स. इफ यू नो टेबल्स देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज वेरी इजी. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू टू राइट एंड लर्न. So hope you are revising every day. You have learned all the tables properly.
यस मैम, मुझे 10
बाकी
तक
गर्ल्स,
याद है.
ओके. हाँ, 10 तक आते होंगे, इट्स ओके, बट कच्चा पक्का नहीं होता, एकदम पक्का होना चाहिए. बाकी गर्ल्स, you have learned no 1 to 10 tables.
यस मैम.
Okay, now next one is quotient. The result of 10 is called the quotient. And now is there anyone who wants to read and turn has not come? Whose turn has not come and wants to read?
माय मैम.
Who?
Zareen.
Zareen. But just now I guess you only read, no? Something. Or a BN.
Yes.
Anyone else?
Can I blush Miza?
Your turn has not come, no?
Yes.
You can read.
Quotient. Result obtained is called the quotient. Reminder. The number left over is called the remainder.
You can see here I have given example, and in this example I have shown
Yes.
the name, like what do we call that particular number. वो जो particular number उसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, that. And this one also just now I explained. कि उसमें सब ने एक एक कैरेट ले लिया था, फिर वापस दूसरा दूसरा कैरेट, तो वो लड़के के पास एक भी कैरेट्स नहीं थे, राइट। तो एक भी नहीं थे, मतलब उसके पास कुछ नहीं रहा लेफ्ट ओवर, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर। ओके, दिस वन लास्ट, so these are the names.
6 is quotient and 1 is reminder.
And now these we have already started in boys class. I told them, okay, if you don't know 1 to 10 table, it's okay, but every day at least try to learn it. And this 3C is about division only. You can see divide and check your answer. This whole 3B, 3C. 3B was of multiplication. 3B में सिर्फ multiplication था, 3C में division. So in this you can see which tables you have to use. Like here you can see 51, 72, 58, 68, 59, 41, 89, 22, 25. That kind of tables, right? So obviously you don't know these tables. So what you have to do, you have to write the tables. You can see in first one we have already done in boys class. So I'm just showing how we have done. So in first one the question was divide 12,686 by 51. So as we have to divide this number by 51, no? So you can see we have written whole table of 51 and then we have used. So you can also do like this. I'm rubbing this and then you can just try to make this table.
मैम लिखना है
You have to write whether in fair book, whether in rough book. I'm just rubbing the answer and you please
रफ बुक और
try
फेयर
to
बुक
any as your wish. Write this table and then I'm again showing the answers.
मैम
Huh?
ये टेबल रफ बुक में लिखने का है
Yes, whether in rough book or whether in fair book means if your fair book is complete, no till notes,
ओके मैम
then in fair book.
It is right in fair book.
Yes, you can write in fair book. If you are leaving the page, then also I don't mind. If your fair book is complete and writing, then also I don't mind.
ओके मैम
And if you have any problem, no, how to write the table of 51, then you can just do multiplication also. Like if you want to find 51 twos are, then multiply 51 with 2. This I guess you know, no? Okay, how to write the table, how to make table. You can use calculator or you can just do multiplication. After you finish, please inform me. Yeah? Then I will show you answer of 51 table.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन
Who? What is your name?
व्हाट मैम
What is your name? Who said?
मेरा आयशा
Very good, Aisha. Other girls, you have finished? How much time you want?
2 minutes.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, my work is complete. Fatima Bahajaj.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm showing the
Ma'am, by
answer.
49 is then Malkan. Table at लिखा है.
And now match your answer. Whose that table is right?
You can just some notes you find the table.
Yes.
Ma'am, all answer is right. Fatima Bahajaj.
Okay. Okay. Now first I'm revising only. जब हम डिवीजन करते हैं ना तो we have to compare both the numbers. Like this one also we have to compare and this one also. So now who will tell me how many digits we will take from inside? You can see this is 5 digit number inside. और बाहर वाला नंबर वो कितने डिजिट का है?
2-digit number.
2 digit. हाँ, this one is 2 digit number, this one is 5 digit number. So directly हमें 5 digit number को डिवाइड नहीं करना है. Whose mic is that? Please mute your mic so that I can explain. हाँ, तो मैं ऐसे समझा रही थी कि बाहर वाला 5 digit का है, सॉरी अंदर वाला 5 digit का, बाहर वाला 2 digit numbers. So we should not directly divide that 5 digit number, but we have to take whether 2 digit or 3 digit. मतलब अंदर से या तो 2 digit पहले डिवाइड करना है या तो 3 digit. वो कैसे पता चलेगा 2 digit लेने के 3 digit? इसको पता है किसी को पता कि 2 digit लेने वाले हम एक साथ के 3 digit लेंगे और उसको डिवाइड करेंगे? अच्छा 2 digit लेंगे तो 12
3-digit
आता.
एक साथ लेंगे.
3 digit
3-digit.
लेंगे. ओके, बट वाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
क्योंकि इसके सारे आंसर 3-digit के हैं.
हाँ,
51 के
बिकॉज
टेबल में
बिकॉज यू कैन सी 12 जो है वो 51 के टेबल में मतलब उससे
आता ही
आता ही
नहीं
नहीं.
है.
51 से छोटा है 12, राइट? तो फिर 12 जो है 51 से छोटा है ना, इसीलिए हम 12 नहीं लेंगे बट 126 लेंगे. 3 digit. ओके, so now whenever we will take 3 digit, so here you have to check if 126 है in that table, 51 is 126 or
No,
not.
ma'am.
So it's not there. Means how many cell will take?
Um, 102.
Yes, that is 2s, right?
हाँ.
Again I am repeating. जब ऐसे 5 digit का नंबर हो अंदर की साइड, बाहर 2 digit का हो, तो एक साथ हमें 5 के बाद डिजिट नहीं लेने हैं. या तो पहले 2 digit या तो
6
3 digit.
में से 2 कट हो जाएगा 4.
Yes.
6 में से 2 कट हो 4. 2 का 2. 1
2
minus
का
1
2
0.
और 1 का 0.
हाँ, फिर एक एक डिजिट को नीचे उतारना है, ठीक है? पहले 8 को नीचे उतारेंगे.
10 6.
6 को.
फिर द सेम नंबर 248 को देखना है कि टेबल में है
248 नहीं है।
हाँ, तो उससे छोटा कौन सा नंबर है जो सबसे नियर भी हो?
204.
Yes, so that is 4 side. So we can write 4 upside.
Then 6.
And that 204 down. Then again we can subtract.
Subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4. 4, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Answer
Yes,
is
then again we
44.
have to take that digit down.
Answer is 446.
Yes. Then वापस the same way we have to check that this number is there or not. So
446.
no.
No,
So
ma'am.
which number will take which is nearest small? Smaller than that,
400,
but even the nearest.
408.
Yes. So that is how many is that?
4 8 जा. 51 8 जा. 51 8 जा.
Yes. And then we have to subtract.
408.
And here you can use borrowing. कि 6 में से 8
Yes.
नहीं जाता है. So you
So
can
here
use
I put
borrowing.
3
Okay.
and 4 की जगह पे 6 की जगह पे 14 और 4 की जगह पे 3.
करना है
Yes.
हम यहाँ में लिखना है.
I will send PDF from that you can copy it. Okay. Right now I guess time is about over. That's why. Okay. So try the other sums also and first learn the tables. Okay. Whose mic is this? I don't know whoever mic is that. Whose mic is that?
Malkani Kajar.
See, make sure before you speak that mic is mute. And I was saying that maintain the fair book and this next PDF I will send today maybe 3C that PDF. 3B तक का तो सब मैंने सेंड कर दिया है तो वो कंप्लीट कर लेना. एंड एनी डाउट्स मतलब टेबल्स भी लर्न कर लेना तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन दोनों आ जाएगा. एनी डाउट्स?
नो मैम.
नो
मैम आप सेंड करेंगे पीडीएफ तुम लोग पूरी कंप्लीट कर डालोगे जैसे 3B की कर डाली थी.
व्हाट?
पीडीएफ सेंड करेंगे